What's up, guys? It's 𝐁𝐔𝐋𝐿 the GOAT. So today I am actually going to be walking you all through a new trading indicator. Well, it's not like crazy new, but it's new enough. I started trading with this back in like the end of the summertime, around August. Made some really good money with it. I find it to be very easy to read. I know that there are other indicators you can use that are for free, but this one I like a lot because it's very easy for me to read what's going on, and it's very accurate. Forgive the door opening in the background. My lady just got home. So this indicator is called Market Vision. It was developed by some associates of mine. And as you can see today, we're going to be walking through Market Vision A and Market Vision B. So right now I'm just going to talk about Market Vision A, and I'm just going to turn on all of my EMAs just so y'all can see. Usually I don't use all these EMAs just because there's just no point to it. I only like to trade with what I need. I don't like to trade with things that I don't like, I don't need. So these yellow triangles here are going to be your longs, right? Anytime you see this, usually on higher time frames such as like 25, 30 minute, 1 hour, one of these will pop up maybe after 1 or 2 candles close. I want to say about 95% of the time they're right. 95% of the time. And when you get what I like to call red diamonds of death, you're shorting. As you can see, this candle here came up for a furious back test. Whew, that's just, oh my God, that just broke my heart. Which is why I don't really trade at this time, because shit like this happens and you get stopped out, and whew, it's just an ugly time. So yeah, these are your EMAs. These are your moving averages. When they're all gray, right, we're in a negative downward trend. And when they turn white, or when they turn whatever color you assigned, so I'll go back here, you can assign various colors to your EMAs just like you can with other indicators and other platforms. In this instance, I just like to keep, I don't use my 2, my 3, my 4. I just kind of like to keep like maybe just my 1, my 7, and my 8, and my 9. Like that's really all you need. These are the signals that come with Market Vision. It's pretty self-explanatory. The only ones that you really need to pay attention to are your longs and your shorts. Those are the ones that you're going to be seeing the most often. Now, I will say to you, from experience, when you're trading on a smaller time frame, right, such as like the 3-minute, be very careful, because as you can see, you have a red short indicator, and then look, popped, right? That's why I always say don't pay attention to these indicators so much when you're trading on smaller time frames. Only pay attention to them when you're trading on, like, the 25-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour. Oh, this is probably really awful of me, but I trade exclusively on TradingView. You have to have TradingView in order to access this indicator and this package. If you don't have TradingView, I'm sorry, you're missing out on all the fun. You need to hop on TradingView. It's visually, I love to use it for trading, stocks, crypto, futures, whatever, just because it's super easy to use. Oh my gosh, can I show them? Look at this. Okay, yeah. For all you freaks who like to trade without the dark color theme on, yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks so weird, right? I feel like I'm in math class. I just turn the dark color theme on because I can't trade with that white in the background. This shit makes me feel like I'm going insane. Right, so anyway, that is the basis for Market Vision A. And for those of you who are relatively new to trading or new to this software using TradingView, it's kind of similar to Market Cipher, but it's like Market Cipher 4.0. It has a lot of tweaks that if you learn to read them, can help you along the way. But like I said, you just need to pay attention to, oh, sorry, my lady's vacuuming in the background. Shit, I don't know if that's coming through in the mic. Yeah, red diamond of death on the 1 hour. Most of the time, it's going to be accurate. You see, and look what happened. The whole day, really the next 2 days, the stock dropped. Also, look at our moving averages, right? They are gray as well. If we're in a negative trend, if we're in a downward trend, it's always going to be gray. Gray means we're shorting. Don't pay attention to these little back tests here if you're, if you're shorting. Only pay attention to, God, that vacuum is just bugging the shit out of me. It's bugging the shit out of me because I can hear it so clearly through these headphones, right? And when the 1 hour looks like, so yeah, pay attention to these indicators on higher time frames, 25, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. They're much more accurate. Right now I'm looking at Apple. Apple is in an uptrend. It has been, well, it's been kind of choppy. This isn't that nice to look at, but yesterday and today it's been going up, so I'd imagine it will continue to go up. But Apple just got some bad news that came out, so we could see a nasty back test on Monday. Who really knows, right? So that is all for Market Vision A. It's pretty straightforward. Those of you who have used Market Cipher or Thinkorswim, this should be pretty straightforward to you. If you're a newbie, it's very, very, very easy. When it's gray and the 1 day EMA crosses below the 7 and the 8 and the 9, you're shorting. If it's going above and it looks like it's riding some stairs, you're longing. It's pretty straightforward. I can't make it more clear to you, right? So if I was to trade on the 1 hour, I mean, look at this, 8:30. If I was to trade on the 1 hour, I would definitely be doing day trades, and I would just combine the 1 hour with like the 15 minute, 25 minute. The 25 is definitely much more accurate. That's why I say if it's choppy, always go back on the higher time frames to look and check out what's going on. All right, that's all for Market Vision A. It's time to look at Market Vision B. All right, let's see, Market Vision B. So, guys, listen to me when I tell you this combined with this is your moneymaker, okay? Pay very close attention. Market Vision B is your oscillator, right? The best way to think about this is, think about it like waves in the ocean, right? Red dots are indicators of a downward trend, right? So you're shorting. Red, down. Green, up, right? But in this instance, not so much. But you get the general idea, as long as you understand the idea of what's going on. So these are your oscillators. Green, whenever you see the green, it represents money coming into the market, right? Let me look at it on a higher time frame just so we can get it a little bit more accurate. Green represents money coming into the market. Red represents money leaving the market, right? So a great way to think about it would be that all right, so look, this happened at 12:20, 12:45, 12:40, right? In order for you to have successful trades using these indicators and, just common sense, look at what's going on. Don't just guess and be like, oh, but it was going up on my 1 minute or my 5 minute. Dude, the 1 and the 5 minute should only be there for you to help time your trades and line it up. Do not go into a 5 minute trade thinking, oh shit, I'm about to long, I'm about to make so much money. Look, it's green, everything's going up. Like I'm sorry for the squeaking once again. my lady is doing stuff in the background, like opening the window. Oh shit! All right. Where was I? God, I lost my train of thought. Oh yes, oscillators. These are your whales, guys. This is the motion of the ocean. Like I said, the higher the time frame you are looking at, the more accurate this indicator is going to be. I don't want, like, I hate seeing this shit. I hate seeing motherfuckers go like hold on, what's a really good example, right? Okay, here's a beautiful example of a false breakout right in here. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Okay? So it's 8:45. It's 8:45 in the morning. You're like, oh shit, my 3 minute, oh shit, it looks like it's gonna go. Oh dude, look at that. Oh, it's turning white. But yeah, my guy, but look, you're in the red on the money flow. This is a false breakout, okay? This shit is not it's not. You want to follow the trend, and what your oscillator does is it helps you follow the trend. I wish somebody told me this. Nobody told me this. I had to lose a lot of money to figure this out, to finally be like, oh duh, I need to follow what it's telling me. Like, look at what it's doing. If you are in the red on the 3 minute, the 10 minute, whatever, don't get caught up in these false breakout, guys. I'm telling you, it's not going to end well for you. It's not. All right. Go to your 10 minute. It is a bit more accurate. The 3, the 10, and the 25 and the 1 hour are my favorite time frames to trade on. I only use the 3 to essentially line up my shot. Like you're between your 1 and your 4 minute is really like, think of it like in 2K when you're just timing up a jump shot. You're just timing up your entry point so that you don't get stuck in a nasty back test like this. I mean, oh my God. Oh my, let's just hold on. I just want to look at this for a second. Let me expand my oscillators a bit so you guys can see. I'm sorry if you haven't been able to see too well. I just tried to make it a little bit bigger. But look at this, right? We're coming down September 29th. You're looking at the market. You're thinking, oh, okay, it's going to come down tomorrow. We're in the red money flow. And look at this. You try to play the market at open. Yeah, sure. Maybe it drops. Maybe it goes up and you're like, oh, it's a reversal of the trend. It's like, no, once again, look at the bigger picture. Look at what's going on. If you are using this indicator or any indicators like this, but specifically this one, you should not be losing trades. You should not be losing trades with all of these utensils. Okay, losing trades may happen every now and again, but you should not be. Your win ratio should be like, for every 8 wins, you have 1 loss, maybe. And obviously, don't let that loss blow your portfolio because, learn some risk management, dude. Don't just go betting it all and, next thing you know, you lose your house. That's sad, but that's some real shit, man. People really do that. And I know this one cat lives in Vegas, lost his whole damn house because he was betting his mortgage money and motherfucker didn't know what he was doing. And, shit like that happens, and it's not fun. Anyway, Market Vision B, oscillators. Pay attention to where the money's flowing. These red dots are indicators that a change is coming, especially on higher time frames. Like I said, if you're confused, always go back and look at bigger time frames. Look at what's going on before you even start trading that day. Just look at what the market's doing. Obviously, going into Monday, right? We're leaving the red and we're entering into the green. So even if the stock drops on Monday at open, I'm not going to enter that trade. Why am I not going to enter that trade? I'm not going to enter that trade because look at all this green. Why in the fuck would I go shorting when... Uh-oh. Somebody just got capped. Y'all hear the fire? The fire alarm? The fireman? I can't talk. I've been working all day. Sorry if I seem a little bit on edge. I've been up since 6 and I just got home at 6. I worked like 12 hours a day. Woohoo! Yeah, living in LA. It's always some shit going down in this crazy ass city. Always. But you get what I mean, guys? Like, you want to use Market Vision A and B to time your shots, okay? If Market Vision A is doing something that Market Vision B doesn't agree with, don't do it. It's not a good trade. If you take that trade, you're going to be in and out, okay? You're going to jump in and you're going to jump out. Don't get, I get it, right? I want to make money too. I love money. You love money. We both want to make a lot of money. But don't react to the market based on your emotions, okay? Because you will lose. You will lose every time. The market will take your money and the market will laugh and you'll be sad because now you got to go back to working at McDonald's and save up for another 3 months just to start trading again, right? You don't want to do that. I don't want you to do that. That's horrible. That shit is like, it's demasculating, it's demoralizing. It's just like worse than the walk of shame. You know what I mean? You don't want to go broke. I don't want you to go broke. So pay attention to your oscillators, guys. That's what Market Vision B is here for. It's here to help you. It's here to enable you to become a better trader, right? Look, even right here, if you want to, if you miss the initial move at market open, right? On the 10-minute, look at this here, right? You can still enter in right here and see, you can still catch this. You see what I mean? Because look, you're still in the green. You're still in the green. I don't know what this, don't let these, and this orange section right here, this, what I call egg yolk, this orange section is your VWAP, right? So a good rule of thumb is just to know whether or not you should be shorting or longing or looking for what positions you should be looking for. If your VWAP / egg yolk is above a certain point, like if it's coming above the 0 line, right, you want to be looking for long positions because you want to be following the trends, right? If it's coming below the VWAP, you want to be looking for short positions, okay? Always look at the higher time frames to determine what the market is doing. Always. Even if, let's say you entered right here and you're like, oh, it's moving, the candle's moving sideways. Oh shit, I'm about to lose my money. No, you're okay. Why? Because you're leaving the red and you're coming into the green. And look, your 1-day EMA is still well above your 7, 8, and 9-day EMAs. And it's still white. Pay attention to all of these things. Okay? There is no one indicator or one part of the indicator that is going to just, it's not like FX mode where you just automatically take winning trades. Like, no, like you have to, these tools are amazing. You just have to use them correctly. And I know it's hard when your money's on the line, but promise me, just if something looks good, just check. Okay, what's the money flow doing? Okay, I'm leaving the red, I'm coming into the green. Even if you want to look at it on like the 10-minute, right? Okay. 6:30 p.m. Red. Green. Okay. Shit, I'm in the green now, right? Pay attention to your oscillators. Look at this. Look at this fat ass whale that's coming. Boop, boop, bam. Right? I don't know how well I explained that. I probably didn't explain that too well. But essentially, you get the idea. A red dot is a good exit point. Let's say like you enter the trade at 640 and you catch this you catch this move right here. If you get a red dot, that's a pretty nice way to know when to take your profits, right? If you want to hold, you can. I like to just I like to scalp and day trade, but it's just a good rule of thumb. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I explained it well enough for you to understand. We're gonna go back. Hold on, let me look at Market Vision B. Just open up the settings here. Right, and also, guys, you can change these colors around. Right, so like, remember, VWAP is your egg yolk. You can change egg yolk to purple rain. Right, you can change egg yolk to purple rain. I like my egg yolk to look like egg yolk. I don't know. I just associate the VWAP with that. So that's just what my brain is used to seeing. That's what I'm comfortable with trading with. And this is also, you can change your background color. I don't really recommend you doing that. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay, cool. You can change it to like a white. Okay. I didn't know this was here. This is really cool. I guess it helps you visualize what you're trading more. Actually, I'm gonna save this. I really like this setting, just to help separate my oscillators. But anyway, that is Market Vision A and Market Vision B. Please let me know if you would like a link to download this indicator. It's one of the best out there in my opinion. It's very much so affordable. It's not crazy. It's either $90 a month or $400 cash for the entire indicator, and it will help make sense. If you don't know how to trade, this is a good place to this isn't a good place to start, but this is a good place to help take your trading to the next level if you're really serious and you don't want to trade the old-fashioned way. Like, if you don't want to, well, that's not true. You still need to scan. You still need to do your research. You still need to learn the disciplines of trading. This is just a little bit of an edge, because you have some very fine indicators that are doing their best job to tell you what the market is doing. But anyway, I'm going to shut up. I need to go to bed. I am super tired. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. We'll be going over Market Vision trend line, easy entry and easy exit, and Market Vision sniper. So yeah, take care and you guys enjoy. Peace.